Hello, my name's Laurel and I'm offering social media mentoring at the moment. If you're interested, it's once a fortnight over 3 months, or you can spend the same amount of time with me in one intensive day in my training room in the Blue Mountains, and this is one-on-one. So as an example, I've noticed that business manager is really popular as a topic. Sorting out all the assets, ad accounts, making sure there are 2 ad accounts, a personal one and a business one, assigning those ad account assets to partners who also have a business manager. And there's a lot of moving parts, so sometimes people don't always understand the structure. Not your fault. It really is an issue with social media in general, and we can get those things sorted out. And that's across all the platforms. You choose how you would like to work. If there's something else that you'd like mentoring on, advertising, analytics, what tools you should be using, all those kind of things, we can sort that out. So if you'd like to join me either in Zoom or in my training room, it's kind of a studio, in the Blue Mountains of New South Wales, please let me know. I look forward to seeing you. I hope.